Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off missed activity emails notifications Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to turn off missed activity emails notifications Microsoft Teams on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. For how to turn off missed activity emails notifications, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Notifications and Activities menu. Now here in the Notifications and Activities menu there are several menu options. Tap on the right side of the Missed Activity Emails Notifications menu. Three options will appear. Tap Off. If this feature is turned off, users will not receive emails about missed activities. However, notifications can still be viewed directly in the Teams application. So that's it. Tutorial how to turn off missed activity emails notifications Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.